So this is the back of your TV. This is more for the power board. So the power board transfer the voltage. For the brain, the main board is talking to that cable to the bottom of those circuit here. That is to talk to the back screen, the flat screen, the image. So if I disconnect this cable and I connect the TV, I have a red LED opening here, fast. I have the backlight that flash to do some tests, and now they still open. And if we wait, sometimes waiting, we have the TV that turned on, but no, we don't have the picture because I disconnected the cable. So the problem is somewhere here. There's a line in the flat screen that breaks. So this talk to one side, this talking to the other side. So I have to remove some small chips somewhere here, I think, to try to correct the problem. If that cable was disconnected and this one was connected on the board, the TV was restarting all the time. So the problem was on that side. So on that side, I came here and I removed first. I slide 4 on top. I removed the 4 on the bottom. You see the dot, and it still didn't work. After that, I removed the top one and the lower one. This one is like too mid. So I have connected the TV. It's not rebooting, and I have those lines in the middle. It was super white on the other side too. We can hear the shine here too. Signal line, and I start the TV. It was not restarting, but I just have orange red LED lights and a bar in the middle of the screen. So I said, that's wrong, it's not wrong, not working. But I connected after the middle connector for the two side, and I have an image. It seems great. I'm gonna continue to test it. So at one part, maybe I just have to slide those 8 and keep those 2 lines, because the trick is the cable was not connected. So when I connect the cable, then I plug the TV, I can see the starting of the TV, the icon here. So that everything is there. Don't have the internet at the moment, but the picture is out there. I just have on the top here some line. Maybe on the white I have some black line. I'm gonna place back the resistor that I removed, the 10 one, and I'm gonna try to get a better picture. I'm gonna place them one at a time and find the one that don't work. So here we can see I put back the 2 resistor for the CK line. This is a 0, but this one is a, I don't know, there's a value, so it's good that I don't lost that one, because I don't know. The other is all 0, it's okay. And I have the other 0 here on the tape. But if we really want to check is, we want to see what happened when I collect the TV. What? The TV is dead now. One step too much. I'm not sure which one I want to start removing first. I think I'm gonna go with the 0. Let's go try the 0. It's hot. Let's go, baby. 360. Let's go, baby. Hey, let's go. Yep. Yep. We're good. Straight up, yep. Just like that. Let's go, connect. With the TV. This is looking like nothing. Still not liking it. I still have here the shine. So I have the shine but no image. This was not what we wanted. So we're gonna play again the musical chair. I'm gonna skip one, I'm gonna put the other one. I'll take this one out. Am I a good one? Yeah, very good. Move. Move a bit. You wanna move? You wanna move? Yeah, you're ready to move. Okay. Move. This here? No, the other pad is there. I don't want to lose that one. Okay, that's good. Can I take it? Yeah. Ooh. Here we go. Okay. So now I'm going to put the 0 back. It's already hot, it's good. Move down, let's go, you're ready, not ready? Come on down, flat. I'm going to use some magical flax glue thingy here. Dip some. Go in again. Let's go this time. One down, move. Yeah, it's in. Thing. It's the same thing. Yeah, it's blinking red. Not working with the 0. Now I have removed here all the 0 value and I put back this one here for the CK, the line 2, the CD02, I think. So I put the so if I turn the TV on, nothing. If I turn the TV on, oh, discovery! It's beautiful. So it's not. It's kind of working because I turn it on. We have the house. We have the chime. Everything's kind of working, but the TV's kind of blinking a bit. I was looking at the bar that was coming in the bottom, but I didn't see the corner here. It's broken. The screen is really broken here, like smashed. I don't know if it's during the transport, but